from a given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride, that's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fridge organization video and I'm super excited about this one. But first I'm going to start off by getting all these containers that I'm going to use to organize my fridge washed and dried, and then after that I'll show you guys what it looks like inside my fridge for now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell, that way you're notified every time that I upload a new video.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the coma.
Alright guys, so I will be organizing and cleaning out my fridge. We just have everything just thrown in here. We went grocery shopping for some stuff yesterday and we just threw everything in here. I need to get like my strawberries washed and my blueberries and all that, so I'm gonna get this fridge organized. I already had some organizers laying around in the house that I'm gonna be using in here. I got them washed already, and there's just some that I have in here, like this one here and this one, and then this drawer already has like some organizers, but I'm gonna put some more organizers like for the top portion of the fridge, and we're gonna see how it all turns out. This is the organizers that I'll be using for my fridge. Hopefully they fit all in there. But I'm just gonna let you guys know, like these I already had. I had all of these but one. I went to go pick one up at TJ Maxx today. And then I had these small ones. These I picked up at TJ Maxx. Also, these were $3.99. And the one that I picked up of these was $2.99. I got this Lazy Susan today also for $7.99. Hopefully it fits in my fridge. I'm not for sure. I want to put one in there though. And then I already had these containers. But this is what I'll be using. And let's start organizing.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh.
So I am curious to know how many of you guys keep your onions and potatoes in the fridge like I do. I know some people put them in their pantry, but I know myself, I was brought up with our onions and potatoes in the fridge, and that's just how I've always had it. But I do notice a lot of people keep them in their pantry. So let me know in the comments below. Do you keep your onions and potatoes in the pantry, or do you keep them in your fridge?
Wish I could sleep, dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh,
So now that I've gotten everything out of the fridge, I'm going to go ahead and get it wiped down because it needs a good wipe down. I don't know if you've noticed, but on the refrigerator door, I have like this little pen. It's actually my dad's insulin, and he comes over a lot, so he keeps one of his insulins in my refrigerator. And I know it's got to be stored in the fridge, so I didn't get it out because I didn't want it to go bad. I just left it inside the fridge, and I'm just moving it around until I get everything wiped down. But after I get all this wiped down and cleaned, I'm going to go ahead and wash the little drawers and the containers that go on the door. And then I'm going to get them dried up and put them back into the fridge.
you were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback.
As you guys can see, I have a little helper here, and I actually went to go grab him some paper towels so he can use the paper towels and help me wipe down the fridge. But he was just super excited that he was helping me.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings.
So now that I'm done getting all these washed and dried, I'm going to put everything back into the fridge. I will also be putting all the clear organizers in here and placing them to see where exactly I want everything at. And then after that, we'll start putting the food back into the fridge.
Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
So I'm going to start off by putting the drinks in here. And after I'm done putting the drinks in here, that's when I'm going to start filling the containers up with the rest of the food and just find out just where exactly I want everything. I know I'll be moving some containers around, and you'll see that later on in the video.
The things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust.
So my kids love these little fruit cups, and every time I go to the store, I always grab a pack. I just always have to have them in the fridge. And this day I actually grabbed a big pack, and they didn't fit in that first container that I put them in, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in this bigger container.
The things I love, how we want the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
So this drawer here had some little divided organizers that I put in here, but I felt like the food and stuff didn't fit very well, or it was just like limited space, like it was just taking up too much space. So I didn't put the containers back. I did use maybe like 2 or 3 of them, I believe. One I used for like the bacon and the summer sausage and chorizo, and then the other 2 I used for the kids. I put their little juices on one, and then their little yogurts on the other one, but I didn't use all the containers in this drawer.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized
I'm going to get this cantaloupe cut up into small pieces and put it into a container. I just find that it is much easier for my kids just to grab the container and put some into their plate. It's already cut up for them, and it also takes up less space in the fridge. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'll also be cutting up there was only like half a honeydew lemon left because my kids had ate the other half while I was filming this video. So I'm going to get the other half of the honeydew melon cut up into small pieces, and I'm going to put it into the same container that I'm putting the cantaloupe in.
Keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get it's not a matter. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, remedy.
So now that I'm done putting all the food back into the fridge, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the outside of the fridge because of course there was just tons of little fingerprints on there and just smudges. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down, and then I'll be showing you guys just how everything turned out inside.
Get all those cold eyes cold looking. I'll say bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.